As consumers, we are generating pressure to produce and deliver any product, anytime. But to make this possible, OEMs need to give their machines new superpowers. Instant changeover on the fly, more output from a smaller footprint, readiness for unknown future products, and profitable personalization. In a word, adaptiveness. B&R provides a uniquely complete set of adaptive enabling technologies. Mechatronic systems, intelligent single product movers are the adaptive backbone. Robotics and machines vision provide machine hand-eye coordination, while simulation and digital twin capabilities to optimize design and processes. Everything natively interconnected with a whole automation ecosystem. Call us to meet your adaptive ambassador and start designing your next generation machine today.